it, and we are going to beat Burundi.
Now we move away from football, we get into preparations for the Olympics, and the National Olympic Committee of Kenya, NOCK, has today partnered with Deloitte in a move aimed at transforming Kenya ahead of the Olympics. Now the organizers, rather the officials from the National Olympic Committee, say this is one way of ensuring that Kenya performs at the top level at the Paris 2024 Games.
Our teams have volunteer hours. They have 40 volunteer hours a year, and they're all really excited to be part of supporting the National Olympics Committee in all the impact they want to make through sports.
Our resolve and purpose have been to deliver our services specifically to our athletes and affiliates by enabling them to succeed. The collaboration with Deloitte East Africa gives us the business direction to support our strategic delivery and processes, allow us to operate a sporting organization while taking inspiration from excellent corporate practices.
Now let's move to some athletics, and the runners-up from last year